So, you heard it right. Today I'm gonna reveal my Robinhood portfolio. I'm gonna show you guys how many stocks I own and how many stocks I'm trying to buy each week and how many stocks I'm gonna sell in future. Probably not, but I'm gonna sell some of them. Hello everyone, this is Virendra Bais. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Virendra Bais Learning Finance Together. So guys, in my portfolio I own 12 different stocks. For the people who are brand new to my channel, this is Virendra Bais. I'm 23-year-old old. I started investing 2 weeks ago and I found it pretty much good in the term of long-term investing. So let's jump into my portfolio. My portfolio current value is $784.25. Today I'm down $2.55, like 0.31%, and 4.1% after hours. You know why I am down too much money? Because the yesterday I was like $811 something, but today I am down like almost $33.52. I'm gonna tell you guys why I am down this much. Because of only one stock. I'm gonna tell you guys which stock is that. Be aware of that stock. I'm gonna reveal this in the end of the video, so guys watch until the end of the video, and if you like my video, consider subscribe. The first stock I own is AGNC. You know, this is a dividend paying stock. This is stock of my portfolio. I have 17 shares of AGNC and my average cost is 12.87, and my equity here is $223.89, and in a total return I am up about 2.3%. and this stock gonna pay me monthly dividend, so maybe I'm gonna purchase more of this stock. Believe me guys, this is very good stock and you should also consider to buy these stocks. And the second stock I have is my biggest share I buy of any company. Oxford Square Capital is an investment company. I have 52 shares of Oxford Square Capital. My average cost is 2.49 and my total equity is $137.28. And in this actual one share is giving me good return. I'm 5.99% up, and this stock also pay monthly dividend of like 0.067 per share. Let's jump to our next share, and this is one of the best share I think in the term of dividend. SPSD Power Share, S&P 500 high dividend. I buy 3 shares of this stock at the average cost of 30.56, and my total equity here is 95.34. This stock is also, I'm up by 3.99% in this stock, and this is also paying me monthly dividend. I just keep my whole good stocks in the top. So guys, the next stock I'm going to talk about is ARR. It's called Armor Residential REIT. I have 2 shares of this. The average cost is 7.51 and my equity is 16.20. I just buy 2 shares because I want to try this stock, how it fluctuate and the volatile but actually this single stock is 7.86% of and giving me $1.18 back. This is good stock, and also this is my 4 stocks which paying me monthly dividends. Here is my next stock, is called Hertz. This is the biggest loss of the today. This stock is 35.56% down after hour, and I'm losing 45.28 cents this specific stock because I didn't see this news. It says Hertz filed for US bankruptcy as car rental. Hertz filed for bankruptcy after car rental demand vanished. You know, because of the COVID-19, nobody is trying to travel. So because of this company is going to bankrupt, I'm gonna keep this stock and I'm gonna wait until my equity, I'm gonna get it returned or not. Let's see. This is the only stock which is getting my portfolio down, but I'm gonna recover it soon. I know that. So let's jump to my another stock, and the another stock I own is iShare Gold Trust. I have 2 shares of this at the average cost of 16.67. I'm down by 0.18 cents on this specific stock. And my next stock is DRIP. Is a Direct Sun Daily S&P Oil, Gas and Ford. I have 5 shares of these average cost at $7.36, and I am down by 2.90 on this specific stock. And my another stock is G-Lock, is a gas oil industry, something like that, and I am down on this specific stock at like $2.04. I have a 4 share and buy at 4.1 at average cost. And my next share I bought is the airlines share, American Airlines. Because of COVID-19, the American Airlines, nobody is traveling nowhere, so the shares are down, and I try to take a benefit. I buy 3 shares of it at 9.52 average cost, and I am up by 2.2%, $0.63 in this specific stock. And I'm gonna keep this stock for a little bit long. And the another next stock is on Altisource Residential. It is also an investment company. I have a 2 share of this. I buy at 7.74 and my total equity is 14.10. But in this stock I am down by $1.38, 8.91%. My next stock is MRO. This is the specific stock I got from Robinhood app when I sign up, when I first register for Robinhood. It's like a free stock. And you can see its average cost is $0 and my equity is 5.91. So it's like I'm getting free 5.9 from Robinhood. Thank you Robinhood for this. And my next stock is LTM. Is an airlines company. I have a 1 share of this stock at the average cost of $340 and my equity is $260. So guys, these are my 12 different stocks on my Robinhood portfolio. I'm gonna share you guys with every stocks and what stocks I am buying and what stocks I am selling on the next video on next week. If you like my video, hit the like button below and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my video. Have a great weekend guys. See you next time.